Welcome to From Leasing to Management, Alpine's full spectrum services unveiled. Today I'm excited to walk you through the comprehensive range of services we offer to maximize your property's potential from leasing through to full management. Whether you're a new investor or have a seasoned portfolio, Alpine provides a complete solution designed to optimize your investments and streamline your property management experience. Let's start with our leasing services, the foundation of our full spectrum management approach. At Alpine, we begin with a thorough market analysis to set competitive rental rates that attract quality tenants while maximizing your income. Our marketing strategies are robust, leveraging high-quality photography, compelling property descriptions, and listings on major rental platforms to ensure your property gets maximum exposure. Our goal is to quickly attract and secure reliable tenants, minimizing vacancy periods and maximizing your rental income. Next, we focus on tenant screening, a critical step in the leasing process. Alpine employs a rigorous screening process, including background checks, credit evaluations, and rental history verification. This ensures we place tenants who are not only financially stable, but also likely to respect your property and fulfill their lease terms. By selecting the right tenants, we reduce turnover and enhance the stability of your rental income. Once tenants are secured, Alpine's management services take over to ensure seamless day-to-day operations. Our team handles all aspects of property management, from rent collection and maintenance coordination to tenant communication and conflict resolution. We use advanced property management software to streamline these processes, making it easy for tenants to pay rent online and request maintenance services, which enhances their overall satisfaction and retention. For those looking to buy or sell properties, Alpine's We Buy Houses program is a valuable resource. We purchase houses across Kansas City, offering competitive prices and a hassle-free process. Whether you need to sell quickly or want to avoid the complexities of the traditional market, our program provides a straightforward solution. We handle everything from the initial offer to closing, ensuring you get a fair deal and a smooth experience. Returning to our core services, Alpine's maintenance management is designed to keep your property in top condition. We have a network of trusted contractors who provide quality repairs and services at competitive rates. Regular property inspections help us identify potential issues early, preventing costly repairs down the line, and ensuring your property remains attractive to tenants. Another key aspect of our service is financial management and reporting. Alpine provides detailed monthly reports that cover all aspects of your property's financial performance, including income, expenses, and cash flow. This transparency allows you to track your investment's performance and make informed decisions. Our goal is to provide you with clear, actionable insights that help you optimize your property's financial health. Legal compliance and risk management are also integral to Alpine services. We stay up to date with all local, state, and federal regulations affecting rental properties, ensuring your property remains compliant and protected from potential legal issues. Our team handles lease agreements, tenant disputes, and eviction processes, providing you with peace of mind and safeguarding your investment. Lastly, the Alpine experience is about building lasting partnerships. We see ourselves as an extension of your investment team dedicated to your success. Our personalized approach ensures that you receive the support and services you need to achieve your goals. We are committed to delivering exceptional value and exceeding your expectations, making Alpine Property Management Kansas City the best choice for your property management needs. As we conclude, remember that Alpine's full spectrum of services covers every aspect of property management, from leasing and maintenance to financial management and strategic planning. With Alpine Property Management Kansas City, you have a partner dedicated to maximizing your property's potential and ensuring long-term success. Thank you for staying with us to explore Alpine's comprehensive property management services. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and updates on property management and real estate investment. Ready to elevate your property management experience? Contact Alpine Property Management today, and let's work together to enhance your investment's potential and achieve remarkable success in Kansas City's real estate market. Together, we can make your property management journey seamless and highly rewarding.